In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Calendly with GoHighLevel 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, your Calendly bookings will flow directly into GoHighLevel so you can track appointments, trigger automations, and keep your pipeline up to date without any manual work. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your GoHighLevel workspace in a browser where pop-ups are allowed and that you have access to the Calendly account you want to connect. If you use multiple Calendly workspaces, note which one you intend to authorize so the right events sync. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the Calendars area in the left-hand menu. This section is where GoHighLevel manages availability, appointments, and external calendar connections, so it's the logical home for the integration. Inside the Calendars area, open Calendar Settings. Think of this as the control room for how your calendars behave, including which external services are linked and what data is allowed to flow in. It's also where you'll return later if you ever need to disconnect or review a connection. Next, move to the Connections tab. This page lists any calendar providers already linked to your account and is where you plug in new ones. If you've never connected Calendly here, it will be empty or show only other providers you may have added previously. Click Add New to start a fresh connection. This button kicks off the provider selection flow, and it's safe to use even if you're testing things out. You can remove a connection later if needed. When the provider options appear, choose Calendly by clicking Connect. A secure authorization window will open. If you're already logged into Calendly, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow GoHighLevel to access your Calendly data, such as events and invitee details. If you aren't logged in, Calendly will ask you to sign in first. Confirm you're authorizing the correct Calendly account or workspace, then approve the access request. This permission is required so GoHighLevel can read your event types and receive new bookings, reschedules, and cancellations. Once authorized, you'll be returned to GoHighLevel, where the status should show as connected. From this point forward, new Calendly bookings will begin appearing as appointments in GoHighLevel, allowing your team to trigger workflows, send reminders, and report on show rates. If you don't immediately see data, give it a moment and refresh. Initial syncs can take a short while. If the Connect button was blocked or nothing happened, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers or try an incognito window to avoid account conflicts. That's it. You've successfully synced Calendly with GoHighLevel and set the stage for smoother scheduling and better automation.